Self-adhesive labels are used in a wide range of industries, from health and beauty, food, beverage, wine and spirits, to pharma, durables, and chemicals. Now, all these different industries and end-use applications have different requirements, so there's no one-size-fits-all technology. Let's take a closer look at self-adhesive labels for the beverage industry. Their requirements may differ depending on their application and end use. Bottles hitting each other on the bottling line, it's part of the trade. That's why your labels should be rub and scratch resistant. Want to use clear substrates to achieve the popular no-label look for a premium effect? Then you'll want a solid opaque white layer between your label and the image. Fancy a tactile look and feel, perhaps? Or is it a glossy appearance you're after for eye-popping colors? Hold on, stop. What about head-turning photorealistic graphics for labels that jump off the shelves? Dry toner electrophotography and UV inkjet each have their own pluses. That's why they can cater to different applications and end uses. For high gloss, tactile, rub and scratch resistant labels and the best results on clear substrates, Xeikon recommends UV inkjet. For photorealistic images that turn your bottle into a piece of art, even on clear labels, Xeikon recommends dry toner and varnish protection. You see, there's no one-size-fits-all technology, but we can advise you on the best fit for your applications.